Hello, techies. In today's video, we are going to talk about blockchain technology, how it works, and how NFTs are related to blockchain technology. So stay tuned on this video and keep watching Super Techie. So, my friends, blockchain technology. So, before jumping into what exactly is blockchain, let's understand the very important principle of blockchain, which is called decentralization. What is decentralization? So, if you understand centralization is having a central authority or database which maintains the master copy of the information which got synced to different computers. So you can see in this diagram on the left, which is a kind of central kind of a architecture. So this has got all the data maintained in a single server, and this database or this data is getting accessed from different computers. So this is kind of a centralized network, right? But in case of decentralization, there is no such kind of a central authority. There is no such kind of a data which stored in kind of central server. So each and every computer is maintaining the same content. So there is no as such master copy of information stored in any specific computer. Each and every computer has got the same information maintained and synced. So this kind of a decentralized network is called peer-to-peer network, which has got different nodes and which got synced on frequent basis. Principle of blockchain is immutability. You have got so much digital information. Now you need to store that information in blockchain, and you have got different nodes, right? So in this particular scenario, the information will be stored in different nodes, but in this case you cannot edit or delete that particular information. So that's the property of immutability, which you cannot edit or delete. So the use case would be, suppose a ledger, you have made a transaction. So transaction cannot be edited or deleted. Now let's see how blockchain works. Suppose I want to send a crypto to you, a cryptocurrency to you. So what will happen is a transaction will be generated in blockchain. And if you can see, this transaction will be represented as a block in blockchain. Consider blockchain as a network of different nodes, right? So this block, which will be represented as a transaction, will be sent to different nodes, which are a part of network of the blockchain, and each and every node will validate that transaction. How it will validate? There is a process of encryption or decryption, which will be done by a software installed on each and every node. So once that is validated, this block will become a part of that blockchain. That transaction is complete, and this block is added as a part of that blockchain. Why I call it as a blockchain is because each and every block is holding a link to its previous block. So that is kind of chain which is maintained between different blocks of transaction, right? So now we will discuss about how NFTs are related to blockchain. Suppose we discussed about ledger, in which transactions are maintained, and for each transaction a block is generated, and a block is basically holding a transaction, you can say. Now instead of a particular transaction, if I hold a particular NFT in that particular block, right? Understand this. So we discussed about, what is NFT. NFT is holding certain kind of ownership of a digital asset, right? So that ownership is again a ID or something kind of digital information. similar to a transaction. So what transaction will have is a value, a type of transaction like credit or debit, and the sequence number. Similarly, NFT also has certain digital information. So we can use blockchain to store NFTs as well in those blocks. So what will happen then is each and every node, once it comes into the blockchain, each and every node will validate the ownership of that particular block, of that particular NFT. And once it is validated with different blocks, then this means that you are the actual owner of that particular NFT. And this has been validated by multiple nodes. So that's the beauty of blockchain technology. So guys, hopefully I am able to help you from this video. And in this video, I have not gone deep into the kind of very technical kind of concept so that, technical and non-technical people both are able to understand this. And hopefully I have helped you. And please hit subscribe button for more updates on the videos. Thank you. God bless you.